This particular YouTube feature actually is old in the YouTube studio, but it seems a lot of people have not taken time to understand it and to dive into it to know why it must not be turned off in the YouTube studio. Some people have mistakenly turned it off and it is actually affecting their channel. Some have also turned it off without even understanding it, and that is the reason I'm revealing it to you in this particular video. So if you're a small YouTuber and if you're struggling to get views and subscribers to get your channel moving massively, this particular video is for you. I do really care about you a lot, and that is why always whenever I detect and discover some of these secrets to growing your YouTube channels, I review them to you as quickly as possible and as early as possible. I'll send you straight away to the YouTube studio. I'm going to show you this particular feature and I will explain to you the reason you must not turn it off, so that after this, if you have mistakenly turned it on in your YouTube studio, please do well to go to your studio right now, turn it on massively once again, so that your YouTube channel will begin to get the traction that is supposed to get. So as we can see, we click on the settings and then let's get to channel. Please watch closely as I reveal to you so that you actually turn it on right now if it is off. So now you go to advanced settings, that is it over here, advanced settings. Now this is exactly what I'm talking about, and I'm going to explain that to you why it's been affecting a lot of YouTubers over here. When you check over here, it says your audience. Okay, now this is very important, and let me read small for you. Simplify your workflow by selecting a channel setting. If you skip this section, you'll be required to identify each video on your channel that's made for kids. This setting will affect existing and future videos. All right, settings for individual videos will override the channel settings. Okay, so now let's get down. Do you want to set your channel as made for kids? That is it over here. So these are the options that you have, and this is exactly what you must be very careful, extra careful whenever you are selecting that, regardless of your video or the type of video that you make. Now it says that yes, set the channel as made for kids. I mostly upload content that's made for kids. That's the first one. The second one says no, set this channel as not made for kids. I almost never upload content that's made for kids. And then the last one, I want to review the setting for every video. Basically and mostly you're going to see it turned on like this. The particular one, the second one, is been turned on like this. It's been selected with a black dot over there. Good. So do not, and please never select or turn it off, like maybe put it onto the first one like this. Do not turn it like this. Let it be remaining on the not made for kids. That is the second option over here. Now let me show you the reason why. You see, the reason why you should not select the made for kids is that whenever you select made for kids video, that means you're telling YouTube algorithm that your video is actually made for kids, strictly for kids. And so YouTube will strategically be sharing your videos to people who are kids. Okay, so that it will be shown in the feeds of kids devices. What happens that way, and your videos are not also about kids, you see, consistently it is the kids who are going to be watching your videos. And so one thing about kids video is that you may not also see comments over there. Don't forget, comment also helps boost the viewership of videos, and that is why you must always select the no, set this channel as not made for kids. You understand? Now what it means is that YouTube will strategically be sharing your content to all people, trust me, all people. And so either kids can watch your videos, grown-ups can actually also be watching your videos, and that is the secret. But when you put it to the first option, that is made for kids only, that means that it's actually going to be shared for kids, for them to watch your video. Adverts too that are placed, or ads that are placed on videos that are made for kids too, are ads that are not going to help you generate huge amount of money, because mostly those ads are not ads that are selling things, because they know definitely that kids are not going to be buying product and going to be doing this blah blah and all that. You understand? But when your videos are not made for kids, you select that one, all form of ads are going to be placed on that particular video, therefore helping you increase your revenue. So it is not only going to help you increase your views and subscribers, but also your revenue if you are monetized. And even if you are not monetized, please do well to maintain this particular feature. Don't turn it off, so that when you are monetized, it can help you increase your views and that of your revenue. Someone will ask, Atta Smart, how about the last feature? That is the last option over here. I want to review this setting for every video. Yes, that's also one of the best and powerful options that you can actually select for yourself. Oh yes, because with this one, whenever you upload a video, there will be an option for you to either select made for kids or not made for kids. So that one will be manually done by yourself. So that can also be an option for you. But please do not turn it off and select the first one. That is where the danger lies. Unless maybe your video is certainly and truly always about kids. For example, this black sheep, old MacDonald had, and black, I mean, the stuff like that. I'm sure you actually get to know what I'm talking about. You see, these are some kids video, kids songs and all that. So if it's about this A B C D E, with that one, if it's about kids plays, kid video entirely, and you don't need any adult audience to be watching those video, that one straight away you can select the video being made for kids with that particular first option. But if it goes beyond that, if the video is for both kids and adult, please do well to select no, this channel videos are not set for kids, so that you are going to tap viewership from both kids and that of adult. I'm sure you've actually gotten value from this particular video, and that's exactly what I do over here, giving you powerful tricks and hacks to be able to grow your YouTube channel. So if today happens to be your first time joining over here on my YouTube channel, please do well to actually subscribe to my channel, be part of this wonderful family, so that you can always be receiving powerful tricks and hacks like this to also grow your YouTube channel over here. And let me ask you this: how many subscribers do you have? You see, I keep on asking this because it's actually very important to me. Sometimes I get time to respond to your comment, especially with this particular one. Those who respond over the comment section, I sometimes get time to attend to you privately and give you some private guidelines. So let me know at the comment section, how many subscribers do you have? You may be lucky I actually get into your DM and then I attend to you and give you peculiar advice on how to actually grow your YouTube channel. So let me hear from the comments, how many subscribers do you have? Just type it over there. But hey, before you go, I have this particular video for you. This particular video is actually going to help you to know the right place to actually promote your video as a YouTuber to get more views, more subscribers, and more watch hours. And so do well to watch this particular video right now, and hey, you're going to be amazed as I use them, and it actually helped me. I've actually talked about 6 best places to actually promote your YouTube videos for more views, more subscribers, and more watch hours. Watch this particular video and let me hear from you at the comment section of that video, and I will take it from there. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button, be part of this family, so you can also grow your YouTube channel with these powerful tricks and hacks. And hey, if you found value, do share this video to help others as well. Thank you. See you next time in the next video.